Are you feeling the weight of endless deadlines, assignments, and that constant pressure to stay ahead? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at a screen, feeling completely overwhelmed by the workload. But what if you could change the game? The secret isn't working harder, it's working smarter. First, stop struggling with complex concepts alone. Use AI as a personal tutor to summarize difficult study notes, break down theories, and get instant explanations. It's like having a 24/7 study partner. Next, research. This is where most students lose hours. Instead of scrolling through endless search results, use AI-powered search engines. They don't just give you links, they organize credible, trusted sources and data points for you instantly. This keeps your research structured and accurate. And when it's time to write that essay or project report, don't let grammar errors hold you back. Real-time writing assistants can catch mistakes and refine your tone as you type, turning your drafts into polished professional work in seconds. When you combine these tools, you stop surviving and start thriving. You transform your workflow into an optimization hub. You'll get your work done faster, with higher quality, and finally, have the time to focus on what truly matters. Ready to level up your productivity? Hit that subscribe button and join us as we dive deeper into mastering the tools of the future. Let's study smarter, not harder.